Okay, so you're confident now, skiing straight down the hill, stopping with the terrain, keeping the skis parallel. The next thing to introduce is the snowplough. The snowplough is definitely going to be a good friend of yours. It helps you feel a bit more stable when you're traveling down the hill. It also helps you control your speed a little bit. And then finally, we can evolve to also making some turns from this position. To get into a snowplough position, all you need to do is simply push the backs of the skis out whilst maintaining a little bit of space between the tips of the ski. Now the progression, whilst doing this on very gentle terrain, is then if you push the tails out a little bit further, what's going to happen is you're going to feel the resistance build up, you're going to slow down, progressively you're going to stop. Make sure the terrain that you choose is really quite flat. Okay, you don't want to be feeling that you're accelerating out of control. So pick some nice gentle terrain, really ideal for beginners. Then when you move into your snowplough position, you can just simply push the heels out. Okay, it's not a big aggressive movement. It doesn't have to be too quick, nice and progressive. Remember, when you're traveling down the hill in your snowplough position, keep your arms out in front of you, keep looking forwards, and be nice and centered on your ski. Don't feel that you have to be too far forwards or too far back. Just try and stand naturally over your ski. Okay, I hope that's been helpful and you're enjoying your snowploughing. Until the next episode when we're going to be looking at snowplough turns. See you soon.